Introduction to Pandas library. Pandas library is an open source Python library used for data analysis and manipulation. Pandas derive its name from panel data, which is a 3D data structure primarily used in economics and finance. It was created in 2008 by Wes McKinney and built on NumPy, which is another Python library, numerical Python or NumPy. The purpose of Pandas library is to load various file formats, clean the data, transform the data, and analyze the data for data analysis. It's known for its speed, especially when you are handling a large data set. So if we put together all those things, so Panda is like Excel, SQL, or Google Sheet, but it is much faster and far more flexible than all these tools. Pandas is known for speed, simplicity, and integration. Now look at the various data structures available in Pandas. So there are two main data structures, one dimension called as series and two dimension called as data frame. If we compare these two data structures, as known, Panda series is a one dimension like a single column in Excel. So if we want to store stock prices over a period of time or GDP over a period of quarters, so a time series can be stored as a Panda series. Pandas data frame, on the other hand, has multiple columns with many rows and many columns. It is a two-dimension data structure. You can think of it like an entire Excel sheet or Google sheet. So if you want to store a sales data with dates, region, product ID, product name, category, amount, discount, etc. So all these informations of sales can be stored as Pandas data frame. If we try to look at visually, so Panda series on left hand side is a single column with name of the people. It is a Panda series. Pandas data frame on the right has name of the people with other attributes like age, city, and so on. So a single column is a Panda series, one dimension, and Pandas data frame has multiple columns and is a two-dimension data structure. Why do we use Pandas? So if we want to recap, so it is easy for data handling, load, clean, transform, analyze, and you need only a few lines of Python code for that. It works with multiple file types. So if you want to read a CSV, we can do with Pandas. Even if it is Excel or SQL or JSON or a big data, Perquit, etc., Pandas can read them all. Pandas has lot many tools or functions to handle missing values, duplicate values, incorrect data types, messy text data, etc. So you can analyze and manipulate the data, clean the data using the inbuilt functions and tools in Pandas library. It's fast in operations, and as it is built on NumPy, so you can handle large amount of data using Pandas very easily. And it is one of the essential tool. So if someone is interested in data science or data analytics or AI ML engineering, anything like this, okay, so you have to learn the Pandas. You have to work with the Pandas library. Let's compare in a simple way the Pandas versus other traditional tools like Excel or Google Sheet. So we can say that Excel and Google Sheets cannot handle a million of rows. They are either slow or they crash. They will not open. Pandas do it very easily. Automation is very limited in Excel. You have to write script or manually or doing VBA, etc. But Pandas can do the automation very easily. Excel, Google Sheets have a very limited functions as compared to Pandas, and they are paid or they have a limited access. Whereas Pandas is open source and 100% free, and we can in Pandas also do the version control. Why professionals or people in industry use Pandas? So they can load and clean the data, and it is much faster, 50 to 100 times faster than Excel. They can work with various type of files. They can clean the data like missing value, duplicate values, etc. It's essential for machine learning, and it is number one skill for data analyst, data scientist, business analytics like roles. So in summary, we can say कि pandas can be used for business analytics, financial and stock prices, machine learning, social media analytics, research, healthcare, operations, and HR, and any work involving structured data. Now, Panda is a foundation for data analysis in Python, and it is a core skill you must learn.